Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. I'm Brooke and I make lifestyle videos. So today's video, we have clips from before. I am doing an empty house tour of the house that we just moved out of. I don't think I ever truly did a fully furnished tour of it, other than kind of when I did like our seasonal decorating and such, but I thought I would at least give you guys an empty house tour. So I hope you enjoy it. I took these clips when we were, we first got everything out of it. So this was a couple weeks back. And then I'm going to fast forward back to today at the end of this video because today was a big day and officially the end of that chapter. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and I will have a new house tour going up shortly after this. So make sure, if you haven't already, subscribe below, give you a big thumbs up, and let's get into it. Here is the empty house tour for our old house. This is the front sitting room. This is where our dining room table was, the mini fridge and buffet. This is where we have that bench and the big circular mirror. We have skylights. Here's where we have that entry table and that beautiful blue painting. And then our kitchen. We've got the dishwasher, stove, fridge. And then there's the projector, and there's a projector screen that comes down, and then we have the 3 paintings. This was like our main area. We had the 3 benches under here. This was the nook, so we have that bench there and that smaller gray table. The door outside, and then this hallway area connects. This is our coat closet, and in here we had all of our games, more storage, all of our towels and blankets, and then right off of that is the washer and dryer. This is our little laundry room. This leads to the garage. And this was our main guest bedroom. Has a closet over here. Right across from there is the guest bathroom. And then over here, this was the secondary room. This went from, initially it was the pups room, it became a workout room, and then it was used for storage. This room has been it all. And then another closet. That damage was done before we even bought the house. We just never changed it because we never really used it. And then right here we have the office. We did not bring the office furniture to our new house, and it's actually a couple hundred pounds. So we're not really sure what we're doing with that. And then this kind of opens, which is pretty cool. This is from Scandinavian Designs. And so yeah, this was the office. We have that big cool wood thing that I used to film in front of all the time. And then we used to have the bar cart right here. And then right next to that is the master bedroom. So over here is where we kind of had that like shelving situation. We have our farm door. Over here is where we have that standing mirror. And then we have the bed against this wall. So it has this kind of cool, intricate design up here. And then we have all the lights over here. We have the closet. So this is the closet. This did not come with it. This we ordered and built, but we're gonna leave it in here because there's really just not enough storage for 2 people. And then that was a little safe that we drilled in. So it is attached, so we're gonna leave that. And then, yep, so we got our 2 doors. And then over here is the master bathroom. So we have double sinks, all the cabinetry throughout the house all match. And then we have our shower. Nice tall ceilings, got the toilet. And then what I really like about this room is that window up there, and we have that in the master as well. So this is our old house. And today we are here because we are doing some of the repairs and such. but we are in escrow, and within the next 10 days, this will no longer be our house. And then a quick note, these shelves I actually built myself. Like cut them, stained them, sanded them, installed them, all that stuff. And then I guess I'll show you guys out here as well. So this deck is getting restained with the fence. And so that's all gonna match. So this is the new fence that we put up. They still have not restained it for some reason, which actually reminds me we need to call them. We're gonna have to get rid of some of this stuff. The turf we installed ourselves. This cement pad we installed ourselves as well. This was all rocks, so you couldn't use it. And this is a big swing gate that we installed. So you can open it and like kind of bring things in. We thought that'd be awesome for like entertaining, but we never ended up actually really using it. And then we installed all of this grass here. We installed like that HVAC and stuff. And the market lights, we did all that. If you guys remember, out here we had a bar cart, and this is where all the outdoor furniture was. And then over here is our garden box. The garden box we built, well, Darren built it with one of his buddies. So it's custom built, and there's full like drip irrigation and sprinklers in here that you can set on timers. And then we forgot to turn them off when we emptied this, so it was accidentally allowing weeds to thrive, which is what's going on here. We since have turned it off, which is why now everything's kind of dead looking, but that's what's going on over here. So this is the backyard. This is the retaining wall that the pups loved jumping on and running around, which we did not appreciate, but they loved. It brought them such happiness. Got a fan out here, and yeah, this is our old house. And now fast forwarding back to the future to today. So those clips were filmed a couple weeks ago because we were actually supposed to close 2 weeks ago, but our buyers had to push back closing by 2 weeks because the person buying their house, that offer fell through, and so they had to find someone else, and they needed that money to buy our house. So we really wanted to sell to them because they're a new family, they seem like good people. So we agreed to push back close and continue with them. So we are now finally closing. Literally 15 minutes ago, we got notified that the sale has officially been recorded. That house is no longer in our name. It is officially recorded under the new owner's name. That chapter is officially closed, and I'm having a lot of mixed feelings here. Obviously, I'm incredibly excited. We are in our dream home, absolutely beautiful. I'm so happy to have moved, so thankful that our house, the old house, sold so quickly. Literally within 2 days, we accepted an offer, and we've been in escrow since. So everything is happening flawlessly, but it's just the sentimental value that that house had for me. That was the first big purchase we made as a married couple. After our wedding, that's where we went home to. That's where we raised our baby squirrels. That's where we brought our pups home to. That's the only house that they had known, now this one. But that's like where they were puppies. That's where they grew up. And birthdays, holidays, everything. That's where all of our memories are. So closing that chapter is definitely bittersweet. Of course, there are going to be tons of amazing memories here, and I can't wait for those. But I'm quite attached. So we're gonna celebrate today, but it's a bittersweet situation. But overall, I would rather have it sold immediately than sitting on the market and getting to keep it longer for sentimental value. That would just get really expensive. So this is working out perfectly. I'm thankful. Just get rid of the sad negative feelings. This is happiness. Okay, so thank you guys again so much for watching. Coming up shortly after this, I will be posting a mostly empty house tour for our new house. So if you haven't already, don't forget, subscribe below, gives you a big thumbs up. To be completely transparent, it's not a completely empty house tour just because when I explained it in the video, but basically when we got back from France, we got back in the late afternoon, 4 a.m. the next day, we started moving because we had gotten keys. So obviously at 4 a.m. I wasn't like, oh my gosh, let me film a video. I was, hair up, looking a mess, and just like passive aggressively hauling boxes inside. So the video came a little afterwards, after we're slightly set up, but there's still so much that needs to be done. So it is a mostly empty house tour, but yeah, unfortunately you guys don't get to see it fully empty, but hopefully you still enjoy it. So stay tuned and subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It really helps when you guys support my channel like that. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting.